To build a user interface for our application in Angular, we create a template with HTML. To really power up that user interface, we need Angular's data binding and directives. Welcome back to Angular 2 Getting Started from Pluralsight. My name is Deborah Kurata, and in these next two modules, we create our user interface using templates, directives, and data binding. Web applications are all about the user interface, and Angular makes it easier to build rich and powerful user interfaces. Angular gives us data binding so we can easily display information and respond to user actions. With Angular directives, we add logic to our HTML, such as if statements and for loops. And with Angular components, we build nested user interface fragments, such as an image rotator or rating stars. We've seen that an Angular component is a view defined with a template, its associated code defined with a class, and additional information defined with metadata and set using a component decorator. In these next two modules, we'll focus on techniques for building the template. In this module, we evaluate the different ways we can build a template for our component and demonstrate how to create a linked template for our view. Then we'll build a component associated with that template and use it as a directive. We'll detail how to set up data binding using interpolation and display the value of our component class properties in the view. We need some basic logic in the template, so we'll leverage Angular's built-in directives. In the next module, we'll look at additional data binding techniques. Looking at our application architecture, we currently have the index.html file and our root app component in place. So we have a working sample application, but it doesn't look like much. What we really want is a list of products. In this module, we'll begin work on the product list component to display that list of products. Let's get started.